Welcome, guys. So this is what I ordered from TAKEALOT last week, and today they just delivered. As you can see from my face, I can't wait to unbox. So join me. Let's do the honors. Okay, let me know what this is. Guys, from this big box, you think that what I got is too much, but this is it. So this is the keyboard that I ordered from TAKEALOT, and guys, I have to be honest with you. When I saw this, I'm like, no, I need this. I don't have a PC yet, but this connected to my laptop is going to be perfect. So here they said it has a suspension cap, a holo character, and a rainbow backlight. Guys, we're gonna test this. Let's set this aside and unbox this. This is the mini decks that I also saw, and you know, I'm a food content creator, and I need some place more that I can keep my food and eat. So when I saw this, I just say, you know what, let me just get it. It's so cheap, and from the review that I've been reading about it, I feel like I got scammed, but that's what you get for paying cheap money. So this cost me close to 250 rand, almost 250 rand, and let's see. I'm gonna unbox and set it up and see if truly the reviews are full of shit or if they are okay with what they are saying about the review. No. Guys, you see the problem with ordering something online? The specification, sometimes you give them specification, they give you wrong thing. Because when I was ordering this, I ordered for the black one. The black one. So tell me why? Why did they give me the show? Why? I ordered for the white one, for the black one, for crying out loud. But it is what it is. It is what it is. You get what you paid for. Okay, so this is everything this is the screws and everything. This is the leg, the movable legs, and this is for the ground area. This also. And I think this is the tabletop. So here, imagine I ordered for a whole black table, and then this is what they gave me. The tabletop is the only thing that is black. So guys, let's see, nothing else is inside here. This is the cell phone, and let's see from the manual and see what this is all about. So guys, I've gotten my toolbox, and here is the assembly manual, how to assemble this. So let's go with the manual and see if we can put this together. Okay. Okay guys, I think I've gotten it. Oh, they gave me another screwdriver. Okay guys, the only thing that I'm happy for is these little tools that they give me. That's the only thing that I'm happy for. I'm sad that the leg is white. I don't like the white stuff that they gave me. Okay, so here